There are hundreds of children's building toys on the market. My grandsons and I wondered if we could attach the most common hardware and building materials easily so you and your child could build with and learn about real hardware. Bolts, nuts, U-bolts, I-bolts, pipe and fittings, wood, metal, masonry, sheetrock, and pegboard. We discovered an easy way anyone can connect 1/4, 5/16, 3/8 and 1/2 inch bolts, nuts, and hardware to PVC pipe and fittings, and then to all the other building materials. Here is readily available at your local hardware, plumbing supply, lumberyard, box store, or online. This display shows you all the materials mentioned attached in various ways. If you find this interesting, we will show you how we did it. Here you are looking at 1/2 inch bolt and nut, 1/2 inch nut and stud, a 1/2 inch I-bolt or common hardware, and it is all attached or bolted into a 2x4. Secondly, we have 3/8, and in this case, it's a 3/8 bolt and nut, a 3/8 nut and stud, a piece of common hardware, and it is mounted on a piece of sheetrock with a 3/8 mounting plate. We then have 5/16, and in the 5/16, we have the same things again, bolt and nut, nut and stud. This time it's a U-bolt as the common hardware, and it's anchored into a brick. Our 4th is 1/4 inch, and again, bolt and nut, nut and stud, another I-bolt as your common hardware, and it is bolted through a piece of pegboard. So we have now proven that we can attach all the materials that we've just discussed. We did so far used 1/2 or 3/4 PVC. You may want to go up to larger sizes, and we found a simple, inexpensive answer for that. This is a nested coupling. This is 1/2 by 3/4, this is 3/4 by 1, and this is 1 by 1 1/4. The smaller two cost in the 20-cent range, and the third one costs in the 30-cent range. Now, if you don't want to use couplings and you want to create flush bushings, simply cut these in 1/2 and you get flush bushings. Now you're up to 1 1/4. If you want to go bigger, the reducers are available at your local supply or online.